Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Dodge Grand Caravan key fob. First, let's identify the common problems you might encounter, like a completely unresponsive fob or intermittent functionality. You'll need just a few simple tools, typically a small, flathead screwdriver and a fresh replacement battery. We'll then go over the initial steps for safely opening your key fob and inspecting its internal components. This guide aims to make the process straightforward and easy for everyone. Replacing the battery is often the quickest fix. Begin by gently prying open the key fob casing with a small, flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage the plastic. You'll usually find a CR2032 coin cell battery inside. Carefully remove the old battery and insert the new one, making sure the positive side faces up. Then, snap the two halves of the key fob back together firmly. This simple step resolves many common issues. If a new battery doesn't work, reprogramming might be necessary. First, get into your vehicle and ensure all doors are closed and locked. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Now, press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for approximately 15 seconds. After this, turn the ignition off, remove the key, and then test your key fob. It should now be working correctly. If your key fob still isn't working, don't worry. First, double-check for any visible physical damage or corrosion on the internal components. Also, confirm that your new battery is indeed fresh and inserted with the correct polarity. Sometimes, repeating the reprogramming steps one or two more times can resolve the issue. If you've tried everything and it's still not responding, it might be time to consult a professional automotive locksmith or your dealership for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.